What's up, everybody? Ojisan back. We're going to do something different this time. I'm not going to be doing digital art. I'm not going to be painting on a canvas. What we're going to do is we're going to take this little creepy clown here with a pants full of little bunny rabbits. We're going to take this little figurine that I bought at a thrift store for $3. We're going to see if we can make it just a little bit creepier. Alright guys, that was a lot of fun. So we took our happy little Easter clown guy and we turned him into maybe a guy you don't want to run into, especially down in the sewers. This was a lot of fun. I think I'll do some more of these. I like kind of taking the cute stuff and turning it into stuff like this. Paint job came out better than I thought it would. I really wanted to give him more the creeper look than the monster look, but I definitely wouldn't want to run into this guy in his coat full of secrets and his pants full of bunnies. Just thought I'd do something different. Been doing a lot of digital art, and I just felt like doing something a little bit different for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me get that right up there in the camera. Maybe I can get it to focus on him. Hold on. Let's do this. Come on, camera. The camera doesn't even like him. Did you have fun, clown guy? Alright. We'll go find some more figurines in the thrift shop. Give them a nice little paint job. And I wish my camera would cooperate a little bit more, but it is what it is. You get the idea of it. If you like this kind of stuff, let me know. We'll go find some more figurines to ruin. My next project will be this poor innocent little bunny here. We're going to do an acrylic pour over this entire bunny, and then we'll start painting it from there. That'll be for another video, probably next week. As always, it's great to have y'all here. Hope you enjoyed it. One more look at him. Oh man, I can't wait to put that on the shelf. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, Ojisan's got your back till the next video. Ojisan out.